Union Minister of Parliamentary Affairs Venkaiah Naidu today said the parliament session must be allowed to continue as it reflects the aspirations of people. He alluded that the opposition was trying to defame the government after its miserable defeat. The government does not have any intention to prevent a debate or discussion whatsoever. We have nothing to hide, nothing to worry. Our government in the last 1 year and 2 months has done an excellent job in every sphere of activity, he said.
We are of the considered view the Parliament should reflect the aspiration of the people, discuss all important issues, even if there are allegations also, they need to be discussed. The government has no intention to prevent any debate or discussion whatsoever. We have nothing to hide, nothing to worry. Our government in the last 1 year, 2 months have done an excellent job in every sphere of activity, be it international, be it national, Make in India, Skill India, Digital India, Clean India, even the social welfare and social security measures, all initiatives are appreciated by people. The opposition, more particularly, which is not able to digest its miserable defeat, is trying to divert the attention of the people and trying to defame the government by making unfounded, irresponsible allegations. They should remember, ponder over, before talking of bringing down 56 inches into 5.6 inches, they should ponder why their number has come down from 440 once upon a time to mere 40. If they do this introspection, it will be helpful to them. Having acquired more than 20 lakh acres without adequate compensation to the farmers, now they are trying to preach sermons to us. This is not acceptable. Some senior Congress leaders unfortunately use the word, the session will be washed out. It's very unfortunate. There is no substitute to debate in a healthy democracy. So let us debate, discuss and decide.
Powered by NNIS.